guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing today? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Domino's pizza mukbang video for you guys. Excited for this because I have not ate all day and I'm ready to demolish this. Eating, I'm going to do a chit chat. Also, I'm going to give you guys like a life update on what's been going on in my life. If you guys are interested in that and watching me eat and talk with my mouth full, then this video is for you. That was some things that I wanted to mention to you guys. I'm so funny, I write down things. I got a small cheese pizza with cheddar cheese on it, and I got a Diet Pepsi with some marinara sauce. And I'm ready to go. First of all, my Diet Pepsi. It's the best out of all diet pops, okay? Anyways, I'm gonna open up my marinara sauce. Anyways, marinara sauce. I guess the first thing I want to talk about is I'm actually going to be going on a road trip actually across Canada. So I'm actually really excited about that. Ontario, Canada, so I will be going to Saskatchewan. Be going to Saskatchewan for 3 to 4 weeks. I'm going out there to see my brother. I just realized I have to eat and talk at the same time. I'm going out there to see my brother and his girlfriend and her family and stuff. I'm driving out there. I'm not taking an airplane. I'm going with my parents. We all decided that we're gonna go and drive out there. My parents did it last year. They drove from Ontario to Saskatchewan and they said it wasn't too bad, so hopefully I can handle that long drive because I don't really like car rides at all. So it's like I don't know how I'm gonna be. But my mom said it wasn't too bad. They do like stops along the way, so and it's gonna be awesome because I haven't really like traveled much, so it'll be nice to see like parts of Canada that I've never seen before. So I mean, I've been to Saskatchewan before, but I took an airplane. I didn't drive, so down there I will be still filming YouTube videos and doing some vlogs, so I'll still be doing all that when I'm out there. And we're going in December. That's when we decided we're gonna go, which is kind of bad because we get like really bad snowstorms and stuff, but my dad's gonna be driving, so it's not really that alarming to my mom and I, so I trust my dad's driving, so I'm not too worried at all. Anybody else had a COVID breakup? They're saying like 5 million Canadians have had a breakup. I'm like, holy shit, that's a lot of people, including myself. I had a COVID breakup. I was in a relationship for almost 5 years and I was added to that COVID breakup list like everybody else. 5 million Canadians have had breakups because of COVID. That's crazy. Does anybody... This old man and his horn goes off at the same time every day. Well, have you guys had a COVID breakup or know anybody that has had a COVID breakup? I did. I had one back in January, so pretty much the beginning of like a whole new year. Now seeing somebody else, so I'm just gonna see where things go. I've known this person since high school, so it's pretty hilarious to be completely honest. Like, funny how like life works, you know. Hung out a couple of times, so things are good so far. Where the road takes me, hopefully on a good one. Happy Pride, everybody. I wish that we had Pride going on. I miss it. It's such a good time. Like, if you've never been to Pride, you have to go. It's so fun. But you know, I don't understand the whole naked thing, you know? Like, I understand the whole bondage either. Like, I don't understand how that has to do with Pride, and show your junk and everything else is like a little extreme. You know what I mean? Like, there's kids at those type of events, you know, families, and then you have these people walking around naked, literally naked, and everybody asks me that, like, what's up with the people being naked in the bondage and stuff? And I'm like, I don't fucking know, like, I don't understand it. Like, Pride's not about being naked and the whole bondage shit, like, no, that's just, I don't know what the fuck that is. I don't want to see a man's ding dong, like, I really don't. I'm full, you guys. I think I'm just gonna eat this one more slice, and then I'm just gonna save these for later on. Rest a little bit. Then I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna do lower body and some abs. This is everything that I'm going to talk about today. I am full. This pizza was actually really good. The sauce was really good. Girl is stuffed. Anyways, guys. Guys, if you have any questions that you want to ask me or anything, just comment it down below, or you can ask me on my social media accounts. They will be linked in the description box like always. You can go and ask me on there. Hope that you guys enjoy this Domino's Pizza mukbang life update, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.